ngeen ubbi seen bët yi ngeen wàññi mandi yi nga xam ne da ngeen a nekk in a conscious vibes téye leen cepe yi xale yi daamu leen si xale yi al sunkutolu muta alta sabati jeegol ya al yalla kaytolu dundiya tariyata ñaame al musolu muta.
Hey, listen this one, yeah. Fire like Jeremiah. That's the funny boy when you speak up the truth. But them a come well, me ready to go execute them. Fire like Jeremiah. That's the funny boy when you deal with the truth.
Mbarion, I'll send follow Instagram, Give Thanks TV 1, Facebook, Give Thanks TV, Deportation. Angununo be caring, honey B, be caring.
Astaghfirullah, jahilul befala.
Lyrics, man, das macht kein anderer. Ich bin's Musa, bald auch Mansa. Konter, Konter.
I give my heart, I give my blood, I give my soul. And I will never let it go. And all the struggles on them streets are to go.
Mbarion, alumbara, Give Thanks TV le murunto nan koteke. Mbafala momo, nim video yetere wato wati. Give Thanks TV ko abe konton na wato la. Mbarion, konton dro boring kolaje. Mbafala le kal subscribe, alia like, ale comment. Nal subscribe to faga pare, alia mexo ka kata. Belindio men kataraje mbarion, alia ma ka press. Ibaje la video jolanta wato wati mbading. Ni manke mo follow ti, ete la mo lawanti, meme video jubela. Mbarion, ngaje deportation o mimbe kerin nung, jamani kono, hani bi mbarion, wakiluni ne be kerin, kaje ko kanda funding kilo muta ke murundi, Gambia banko kang, e bukalong, mun dalila latina, mbarion, modo video kinya nun last time, ameta nun, manam linkolem, Facebook bari nga click akan samba dulalo to miyalon ko mbuga fahamno akan nyinin ka ko la ngam ko dol dundije mbadion o ko wato be man nasoto ko beke manam video ni man na tandino mbadion memme yo tinna malon bari mo jama le kan nyinin ka kanye ko Give Thanks TV fo maje ko mi be kerin deportation ko to mbadion hani WhatsApp dol ka kinye kaje ko ani bi e buga mo jamal kafu nyoma ke dipode e ke doman sambale hani bi modo ko tandina adu ngaje ko kolebe kering mbadion ngaje na kimpata membe jamani mbadion mobe ko ni famla nyawanya etata kimpata sila mobe ko ni lona nyawanya etata kimpata ni sila barata kimpata fambe siring jamani le kono mbadion ate kimpata fambe jamani le kono ngaje ay video de da kunu ka diamu ko la advice o dina funding ki wala bake kaje ko dukarelem de e kare sira ba fana bula kaje ko ni mol ñu naté kan e se sobare on taraje e kane sira rim ba fana taraje kan do ni mo sirata baka mu do ko sono yale manam ay tandiro fana ken na government na minketa man sakundati e komin sign manam ye hakilotu bake mbadon be advice o do dila na mansa kundala minketa adama baro kaje ko siranin timiyata bulle foka pare bari na lafta e siranin ay wutuje wolen deportation koning akana siwlo koning kan ka koning kele koning stop nama oke mbafula ko ala nim mansa siranin kanje akobe jijala bakele surwal ka fo mi ko be yengal lambadi on nin kote kala feya kuti de kantum funding kolbe sirin jamani kono manam adama baro wol ni masakunda mol e mamboy wa e tawato kalama tubabu do kono ye batal nin kolmel be taki mbade on kim pata yo sifal beletande video nin kono mbade on mbafula le ko dugaremde ale kim pata la moy ale yala opinion fo koninto manan deportation ko be kering hani bi fo munatina nin ko man stop no mbade on kim pata ya tandiko gambianol e se musol nyinin ye sunkutol nyinin jamani kono e kanane sunkutol nyinin mi yalon ko bibe club doto bi so mayo la doto maneka drinko da malese kaje ko million ko man strong musol million ko e mela life plan kim pata yo advice o fana de youth so la advice o ni kumata bake kaje ko be musol mil nyini la million ko yela life plan ise demano mbadi on mbafula ngaw video jiwe al subscribe al ya like al comment chokoro ka dia wolo dala kono kim pata fo.
Hey, listen this one, yeah. Fire like Jeremiah. That's the funny boy when you speak up the truth. But them a come well, me ready to...
Yeah man, this thing is big and serious, you know. Today, mainly, I'm going to speak in my local languages. But later, I will touch English and little German. And I will speak German to the Germans, and I will speak English to the people who can understand the African languages me I go talk today. See? But tune in. Let me take a little draw from my herbs. Alta Swede. After I would talk Swedish also, Connie. I tell you. Yeah, man, spliff break. Watch the garden. Garden here look good. Garden have to be green. Boy, Dayas, me depan it, you know. Me depan it. Way up on it. Ja, man. Auch ein bisschen Deutsch und Englisch. Yes, klar. Connie, you see my garden? Yeah, man, I love this garden here, you know. But anyway. Nko, alal tulo la moena. Alal hakilo tu. Yeah, man, 6 months it ago even greener. For real, man. Alal hakilo tu. Tubabol be mol city kang ebe sendi rola. Tubabol Germany e sendi ro kumasile. Ifele nyapita funding ke lukang ye city ye dundi kaso kono. Live proper information ye wole dinna. So ndokel alal hakilol tu. Alta musolu muta. Alta musolu muta al chepel noma. Al kunta yani kalanta ya bula. Alta sabati alla sunkutol na alla chepel ya alla kuol ka alla kaytol topoto. Alkana son tubabo lena yal mone. Alkana son jamano yal mone. Sen violence and heli. Ubelen sen boti ngen topa sen chepe sen jigeni ngen dem damu si chepe ak si jigeni ngen lijanti sen kayti tubabi yangi ni di takando yi fi di len delo Adama Barrow ak government am bini ñu ngi delo halay watch me train it a come from Lubek and this one I go Lubek. Violence and hell. Germany sen choyange takandoi di delondoi. Barki dema ñu ngi ni Hamburg fi duga ripa bandi ramase. Di takandoi so amut kayit dañ la taka isil la ay jafe-jafe. So violence and hell ngeen ubi sen boti ngeen wañi mandi yi nga xamne da ngeen na nekk in a conscious vibes. Tielen cepe xale yi damu len ci xale yi al sunkutolu muta alta sabati jegol ya al yalla kaytolu dundiya tariyata nyame al musolu muta muso drone ne ka mo sabati ndino nyim banko kan al musu kendolu muta nyim musu rabarabol miliyalon ko lungolu be wullay be nala kloboto ibe kari sambala sama ye nyun kari la sinindi ye nyun kari la sinindi ko ye nyun do nyika ndokel alal nyaalu yele alal nyaal yele aliye chepelo mutale sabati sunkutolia al sunkutolu mutali konomandi al musolu mutali futu ali alla kaytolu dundi ale sabati nyimbanko kan al kana song tubaboli al mutayal mone kal city kal sedi Gambia ali bangulenke alal tadula long ali al tadula long alta musol tadula sunkutol tadula al dunje al keje churukut ale musol mutali alla kaytolu dundi ka tonyale fali. Things and times getting serious. Gambia government accepting deportees from Germany to Gambia. Right now they're arresting so many youths. So youths, be careful where you step in. Be careful where you go. The only place I will advise you to go to. Go look for woman. Alta musolumuta. Tielen chepei. Ngeen taka cepe yi ngeen biral cepe yi ngeen dugal sen kayti lolu rek a fe muna teg fini nit do fi muna deka so amu jigen be pare jigen yi nekku na jigen yu nekk ngeen a topa len jigen yu am solo yu am fayda jigen mo xamne su deme be tanga na la fa taxawal bàyyi leen di toppa cepe raba yi ni nga xam ne tey dañoo ñëw club fii enu kii ëllëg ñu ñëw teg la fale enu waat keneen bàyyi leen di xeex affaire yi cepe yooyu noonu ngeen ut cepe yoo xam ne dañ am solo nañ leen taxawal dimbale leen almu solo muta nafaabe min la mi yàlla ni problème oo ko pulut ebe wullaye lo walye alkana song tubaabol yaal moo ne kaal sendi ali ban wulenke my youths, get up and go look woman. Get up and go look woman and fix up on the things. Don't make Babylon come grab you and deport you. Don't do that. Try to be smart and wake up and live. Gambia government is a sellout government. Adama Barrow and his government, they are sellout. They're selling out all the youths them to get deported back to the Gambia. This is very wrong. The government is accepting deportees and money and now give the youth them nothing. There's nothing for them to do. Youth them got through trials and tribulation to reach in this Germany. They reach here and doing their things. Why Gambia government asking the Germans to send the ghetto youths them back to the Gambia for what? So youth and youth, wake up and live. Don't make them hold you and send you back. Don't do it. The only people they're deporting from here is Gambians, mostly. They not deport no other nation because the government not accept them. Only Gambia government. Adama Barrow, Ahmad Ba, Aissatou Toure, all of UNU involved in this thing. Last time I hear my party said he is the only one who denied and refused to accept deportees from Germany and Europe. He said it when he came back from Europe tour. As he landed at the airport, he said it. He said when he was a interior minister, he didn't accept deportees and he won't accept it. Adama Barrow and his government accept these deportees. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Al fondinkelu bula etare fangol bulu. Alme makoy kunung, alme makoy bi, alte makoy la sama ye fangol makoy duntanang. Bailen domi jamburi ñu deka. Bàyyi leen di accept doomi jàmbur yi ñu leen a taka fii di leen delloo di leen jox xaalis ngeen téye xaalis bi dugal ko seen poos di yaaxal doomi jàmbur yi ndooy yéen it bàyyi leen dëgër boppa dem leen uti ay jigéen daamu leen si jigéen yi loolu rek laa am pour wax leen nag xam boog since barki démba ñu ngi wër si biir dëkk bi di taka nit ñi si biir train yi ñu ngi duga di taka nit ñi soo amul kayit dañ laa taka yóbbu la si kaw bi ba pare dañ laa delloo bàyyi leen dëgër boppa ut leen jigéen ñi bu leen nangu tubaab bi ñëw téye leen watoon jabu porto ben nanga si be nangi yon tung be natete Gambia wata jabu yahu dabba debbo jokku rewbe ben nati non kayɗiji monding sele wadugol nonsense kander sare jokke rewbe ben gonga wo mayalande de paykun jokke jiwo ben okay. Split you have born, you know, dada. This me come to tell Uno. So you can get up and tell your people to make sure Adama Barrow and his government, they go. This December coming, they have to leave the blood-clad country because you know why? They are making too much destruction in the country. You cannot make them deport the ghetto youths them, and you know you didn't help them yesterday, you're not helping them today, and you're not gonna help them tomorrow. You have nothing for them. So leave them alone. Bailen domi jamburi ñu dem lijanti sen soxla. Al wandi fondinkel bule tela hajo lu jara. Albe fondinkel mutala albe sen la Gambia. Jama nol man tra tulungola. Ni momo mutare kay tebuli be sen la. So wala al hakilotu. Al tunkutolu mutala la kuoluke. almusolu muta almusol no muskendol sunkutu kendol ala nyi rabaraba sunkutolu bula ani nyi cepe furingol. All right. Yo government boo xam ne nekkuloo di defal doomi jàmbur yi dara lu dul di leen yaaxal rek albe wandi fondinkel mu talal be kaytol sign la pour ye wandi fondinkel sendi Gambia ibita e mo nekk je fen fennete Gambia bari atol fango fondinkel atol mi yalon ka lejin ko masilo mutal nata nam fal dunta albali yale alkana so moyal kuruntu kal samba ali bangulenke alta musol noma topalen cepey jigéen rek moo fee mun a teg nit doo amul jigéen doo fi mun a dikka aca rek yeah, the world is meant for the people, but you know Babylon don't work like that. Babylon work differently. Babylon them work diplomatically. So them go work diplomatically with Gambia government. And they give them money so they can arrest the youths them here, tie them up, chain them up, and put them on the plane and dip them. So people, watch out where you're going. I don't know if you know that. Ibe dawoda nyimbanko kan jang muso nyini musol te banna nyimbanko kan musul lulu yaje musu killing wole kes musu nano mu mekete bulu al ñu muta al yalla kayto lu dundi tielen cepé ngeen dugal sen kayti jamani suñ la yoxo suwe ben la ngulut dañ la delo ñi tiaxanuñ because luta Gambia government ñoy nangu pour ñu delo la so suñ la pié rek amulo kay amulo fi jigen bu la taxawal amulo dom da nga sona bi ngeen daj ci yoon bi rek doyna so ubi len sen boti am make good use of it ti len jigen yu am solo jigen bo xamne su ne mulukut rek na la taxawal muso mutam yalla na kunta aba tafulo yen bari albe bulala ñi musu furingol nom hallo muso bi jam bi ay ñun ñinna sama wo jolon jana ay ñun dola al damangol albe dunna ñola ñi musu furingol la ite mo ma koy laje al tuo tala al yalla ñamo sabal ñale yele al yal tadula longale musolo muta de pare al ya fo Gambia government oy ko December yela bagasol pack fucking move because they are not here for us. So ñinen nak kibaroti nak bimbe min folale hambok jang ñin lok ngom mu mebe ñapi kam ibe dun kan saate ko ne mol ñin la jamalol mo kurungol leti so be careful, watch your back. Alta musol ñini yahe dabbe rewbe beng nangebe jiwo beng natine kaydiji monding acce kuluñ kalanji ding. Okay, this is my message. Oliba Ibrahim Niass, King Selassie I Jah Rastafari. To all of my brothers and sisters, ubilen sen boti bulen nangu tubabi betalen bañ len be tedda ci souf ali bangu lenke dem len uti jigen do amé jigen bu saw nga daamu fofu non lijanti sa affaire bu fi yakamti dara yakamti rek yaxule Gambia government ñu soxor lañ ba pare tubabi faale wuñ len ñu ngi ni jox len xaliss kuñ fi tié amulo kay dañ la délo because government bi ñoko signé. So légui li ngena def moy tié len ci pays tié len jigéen yi ngeen daamu fofu noonu tié len cape ngeen biiral len dugal seen kayti tié len jigéen yi ngeen takal len sey len mun a dëkka fii yéen yoon yu métti yi ngeen jël aksi ba fii suma waaji bàyyi leen nonsense yi fas leen jom suma waaji ngeen tié jigéen yi fii jigéen du fi jee waaye foo leen dee dem la looloo tax nag doo leen dee tié jigéen ñu sound fii dëkk bi yëpp jigéen la. Man daal lii laa am pour wax leen maa ngi nii di dugga di liggéeyaat. yéen ngeen xam ne booy government bu soxor buñ am Gambia soo yéen lijanti bi agsi fii lijanti dafa ëppa loolu yéen comme que yéen dugga ngeen fii moom lu nekka ci àdduna gi fii yëpp mun ngeen ko fay lijanti ma ñàkk suma ndey fii mooy jaama ni fii la jaama gi neex li nga def rek kayit doo ko amee rek sa bagage yëpp nice yéen ak maa dégg bu leen nangu tubaab yi beeta leen Oliba Ibrahim Niass King Selassie Jah Rastafari way up